Who remembers this elevator? Let's get on the one. Oh, that's incorrectly numbered. This is the elevator here at One Brigham Circle in Boston, Massachusetts. And it's a Schindler. And it has its floor numbering wrong. Let's go up to 2. Here we are at 2 or 3, whatever's correct. Well, the side panels say 2, so that's wrong. Let's go down the 1. Should cab view. Let's see, 3,000 pounds, 125 feet per minute, and we're good on the expiration date. Machine room somewhere. There's an ice cream place. That's it.